All right, guys, so we're gonna be practicing and working on a pulling side kick. I love doing pulling side kicks, lots of momentum there, and it usually catches people by surprise. When you set up the pulling side kick, the first thing we're gonna do is we're already starting from movement. I've got the hands moving. I wanna shift that weight back into a chambered position. Once I'm in that chambered position, that bottom foot is gonna skip forward. We call that a pull. And so once I do that pull, now I went from way back here, it's impossible to hit him, to I'm close enough to be in a chambered position. Now the way that I get power out of a pulling side kick is I take all that energy and I think about coiling up like a spring and then exploding out at the end of it, which is a timing thing. So I'm here, I've got my bounce, coil, explode. So I think about coiling up tight, coil, and then I explode on the end of it. That's gonna help you get a ton of power on your pulling side kicks.